The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to controversy, and the latest debate surrounding PiNetwork is no exception. PiNetwork, a digital currency project designed to be more inclusive and energy efficient than its predecessors, has gained a massive following. However, a crucial discrepancy in data reporting has sparked concern among its users. CoinMarketCap, one of the most widely used platforms for tracking cryptocurrency data, continues to list PiNetwork's total supply as 100 billion, a figure that does not align with reality. According to more accurate sources such as CoinGecko, the correct total supply of PiNetwork currently stands at 11.1 billion. This inconsistency raises an important question. Why has CoinMarketCap not updated PiNetwork's total supply to reflect the correct figures? And what does this mean for the cryptocurrency community? To fully grasp the significance of this issue, it is essential to differentiate between total supply and max supply, two key terms in cryptocurrency economics. Total supply. This refers to the number of coins that have already been created and are in circulation, excluding any that have been permanently removed or burned. In the case of PiNetwork, this figure stands at 11.1 billion Pi coins. Max supply. This represents the absolute maximum number of coins that can ever exist in a cryptocurrency's lifetime. For PiNetwork, this number is 100 billion Pi coins, but that does not mean all of these coins have been minted or are currently in circulation. The distinction is crucial. While PiNetwork has a theoretical maximum supply of 100 billion, only 11.1 billion coins have been generated and are available. By failing to update this information, CoinMarketCap risks misleading investors and the broader cryptocurrency community. As one of the most influential cryptocurrency data providers, CoinMarketCap plays a crucial role in shaping market perceptions. Inaccurate reporting of PiNetwork's total supply can have several unintended consequences. Misleading market analysis. Investors and analysts rely on CoinMarketCap for accurate data when assessing a cryptocurrency's value and potential. If the total supply is incorrectly listed as 100 billion, it could distort perceptions of Pi's scarcity, demand, and long-term viability. Impact on market capitalization. Market capitalization is a fundamental metric used to evaluate the size and significance of a cryptocurrency. It is calculated by multiplying the current price of the coin by its total supply. If the total supply is incorrectly listed, it can result in inaccurate market cap calculations, which in turn can influence investor sentiment and trading decisions. Transparency and trust issues. Providing inaccurate data on a widely used platform such as CoinMarketCap could erode trust within the PiNetwork community and the broader crypto space. Maintaining up-to-date and reliable information is essential for ensuring credibility and fostering a more informed investor base. CoinGecko has updated its data. Why hasn't CoinMarketCap? Unlike CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, another prominent cryptocurrency data aggregator, has already updated its records to reflect PiNetwork's actual total supply of 11.1 billion coins. The fact that CoinMarketCap has yet to do the same raises concerns about the accuracy and responsiveness of its reporting system. The delay in updating PiNetwork's data has prompted growing frustration among Pi users, known as pioneers, who are calling on CoinMarketCap to correct the figures. Many in the Pi community believe that the inaccurate listing could be detrimental to the project's reputation, leading to unnecessary skepticism about its legitimacy and potential. The growing demand for accuracy. PiNetwork's user base has grown significantly, with millions of users actively mining and engaging in the ecosystem. As the project nears its open mainnet phase, accurate data reporting becomes even more critical. The cryptocurrency community is now rallying to urge CoinMarketCap to revise its data to reflect the true total supply of Pi. Social media campaigns and direct outreach to the platform are gaining momentum as pioneers push for transparency and fairness. Conclusion: it's time for CoinMarketCap to act. PiNetwork is rapidly evolving and its adoption continues to grow. However, accurate and transparent reporting remains vital for its credibility and long-term success. By continuing to display incorrect data, CoinMarketCap risks spreading misinformation and influencing investor decisions based on flawed figures. With increasing pressure from the Pi community and the broader crypto space, the question remains, will CoinMarketCap acknowledge the issue and correct its data?